Today's topic is molecular manipulation. Molecular manipulation is a collective term referring to several molecular based power. In general, this power allows users to manipulate matter on a molecular level. Most branches of this power involves manipulating the speed of molecules, while the potential of this power in its full form could be limitless. Most userless only possess one or a few aspects of this power. Piper Halliwell is the only known user to possess several aspects of this power. Molecular manipulation can be used to achieve several effects. Piper has displayed the ability to create fire and heat with molecular combustion and molecular acceleration, while molecular inhibition can be used to create ice. Types of molecular manipulation is molecular acceleration. Molecular acceleration is the ability to make molecules reverberate at speed which cause them to become disordered. This causes the object to rapidly heat up. As a result of this heat, the power can cause a target to melt or ignite. Piper developed this ability in 2008. As seen when she intended to blow up the unsuspected source of evil, though it did not work on him. It made the road below him melt, enabling the charmed ones to escape. This ability was later theorized to be the result of Piper having mastered a higher level of control over her more extreme power of molecular combustion. Molecular combustion, usually referred to on the show as blasting or blowing up, is the power to speed up molecule to the point of combustion, causing an explosion. It is an advancement of Piper-Halliwell's original variant, which power of molecular embolization. It is an extremely rare power and the strongest offensive power possessed by the charmed ones. Piper picked this up shortly because Prue's death, making Piper the most powerful of the charmed ones. Molecular deceleration. Molecular deceleration is a magical power that enables the user to slow down molecules, causing individuals or objects have a delayed motion. It is related to the power of molecular embolization and is apparently neutral, being possessed by both good and evil individuals. However, it may be just a benevolent power, and a cold turner may have taken it from a demon who in turn had stolen it from a good individual. Molecular dispersion. Molecular dispersion is the power to destroy a target by reducing it to its constituent molecules by giving them massive amount of energy which forces them to scatter. It is very similar to molecular combustion, in which molecules are ripped apart but without any combustion. After the parasite demons exposed the demonic market, the crown killed one of them with this power. Then molecular embolization. Molecular immobilization usually refers to as freezing or incorrectly as temporal stasis. Molecular embolization is magical ability to slow down the molecules to the point where they move so slowly that things and people appears motionless, therefore freezing the target completely. Piper Halliwell, a charmed one, developed this power in the first year of being the witch. When she first used this power, it could only be triggered by Piper panicking on her being scared of something, during which she flicked her hand and froze the target. However, her powers advanced to the point where she could control when and what she froze and unfroze, not having to reply on this trigger.